Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not running on Epic Games easy and quick. First I will show you the problem. The problem is when you click on it here it says running and then it went back to launch or it's just stuck on running. Now I will show you how to fix it. First click Windows and then click on your profile and now click sign out and then sign in again. After that, if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to your files, make sure you have enough space. If you find that you have less than 3 gigabytes, just clear some space. And now let's move to the next step. Go to documents, my games. Now this one, click on it, right click, cut, and then just put it anywhere like here. Now just go to Epic Games, click on it, settings, and here we'll find enable cloud. So you will find it like that, disable it and go back and try again. It will be fixed, your problem will be fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.